Good morning, children. Today's lesson is called Summer Vacation. Open the book at page 94 and you'll see the title of the lesson 5, Holidays and You. But according to our new curriculum, the lesson should be called Summer Vacation. But this is not important. It is important that you will learn new vocabulary. You'll practice vocabulary through test and matching the words. You'll read a text and listen to it, and you'll try to write words about what is good for you in summer vacation. Okay? So please go to the link Quizlet at the lesson 5, Holidays and You, and practice vocabulary using flashcards. So the first word is go hiking. Cei în română a pleca în marș turistic. Holiday in English, but in Romanian we have two words, două cuvinte, sărbătoare, vacanță. Straw hat in English, in Romanian it means that it is a pălărie de paie. Sunglasses, cred că știți deja ce este, ochelari de soare. Swimming costume, costum de baie. Sound, a suna. Ce vreau să atrag atenție, nu este vorba despre anumite instrumente care sună într-un anumit mod. Este un verb care în anumite condiții are un alt sens. Deci când o să citiți dialogul, o să fiți atent care este sensul real al acestui cuvânt. Sound. Summer camp, tabăra de vară. Totodată vă rog frumos, please practice the test to see if you know how to write correctly the words. Also to know your ability of Good morning, children. Bună ziua, dragi elevi de clasa a 7-a. Today's lesson is called Summer Vacation. In our textbook at page 94, the lesson is called Holidays and You. So don't be so surprised. We'll go to our application Quizlet to practice some words. Please go to flashcards and practice the words, practice reading, practice writing, and practice pronunciation. Okay, so the first word is go hiking, holiday, straw hat, sunglasses, swimming costume, sound, and summer camp. After learning the words, you can practice writing, you can practice yourselves passing the test. Then you can play a little bit with the words using matching, подбор in Russia. So I wish you luck to be the fastest student that will get a better score. Thank you. I now ask you to open the book at 94 again and look at the dialogue at exercise number 2. I'll give you the link and you will listen to the reading of this dialogue. So please listen to the reading, read yourself the dialogue and record it and send it to me. Also, you have to answer at some questions. Who are the main heroes of the dialogue? What are their plans for summer vacation? What is Andy going to learn in summer camp? And where are usually summer camps situated? Thank you very much. Okay. After answering these questions, please go to exercise number 3. You will answer the questions what holiday is and or isn't good for you. So I'll say in another way. So why summer holiday is good for you and why summer holiday is not good for you. So please, you have to form some sentences using these 3 pictures. I like fun holidays because I love animals. So you have to make a complex sentence. I think camping is fun. Aici aș vrea să vă atrag atenția că după I like merge un substantiv, I like farm holidays, I think camping is fun. Camping tot este substantiv, dar este cu terminația de ing, care în română ăsta este gerundiu. I like, I love, I don't like, I think. So you have to write 4 sentences. Hotels, holidays in a big city, camping, the mountains, fun holidays, the seaside, holiday on the river bank. So you have to say why, because it is terrible, exciting, boring, nice, fun, good, and great. So you will have to write this exercise in your exercise box, make a photo and send it to me. I wish you good luck in doing your homework. Be healthy and stay at home. Thank you.